Alrighty folks, so I'm going to talk about the number one skill I think you should develop as a entrepreneur, an agency owner, coach, consultant, service-based business, or even a SaaS founder. This is really tied towards people that are looking to grow their marketing and sales and to grow revenue in as short of a time period as possible. So the skill is called, of course, copywriting. And a lot of times people don't get what copywriting is, but in its simplest form, it's like convincing people through the art of written word. Now, the application of this is usually a sales letter and a long form sales letter. So every single time, whenever I launch a brand new offer, I like to write a long form sales letter. And just for context, what even is a sales letter? So I'm going to talk to you guys about how a sales letter is structured, right? Usually it's like the headline. So it has to pique attention. After the headline, there's always, case studies, right? After case studies, it's always going to be calling out the audience, who this is for. And then after who this is for, there's usually a core concept. Like, what's that one thing the audience needs to believe, such that if they believe it, they're going to be very, very interested in, and that's all they need to know about, what you're ever going to tell them about today. And then it's usually after the core concept, you talk about, okay, guys, we're going to talk about the 4 or 5 steps. That's called a transition slide. And after transition slide, we talk about the 4 or 5 steps. These are called thesis points, right? Now, within the thesis points, there's like a certain recipe for those. Like it's always old way, old result, new way, new result, and there's something called a secret. And a secret is like basically, if you do the new thing, what's like this sort of underground secret that no one really thinks about that that is a benefit of doing that one thing. So for example, like one of my sales letters I wrote in the real estate space was like, hey, how to do $300,000 a year as a real estate agent using a video sales letter. So the thesis point in step 1 was like actually get a sales argument and put it into a video format. And then the new way was, of course, doing it in a video format. And what I said was, if you do a video sales letter, it's actually the answer to high quality leads. So, when you do a video sales letter, that's how you actually get high quality leads, right? You got to create high quality leads. You can't just buy them. So that was what I call a secret. And then, this couple steps, you can do 4 or 5 steps. I like to do 4 or 5 steps. I mean, you can have 100 steps as well, but that wouldn't be practical. Right? 4 or 5 steps, 4 or 5 key steps. And then after that, I talk about at the end, it's like, okay, guys, look, these are the 4 or 5 steps. You can implement them and you can do it all on your own, or you can work with us. And if you work with us, here are all the benefits. And then how does it all work? Then you talk about your product or service you're offering. And then at the end, you say, look, if you work with us, here's what you're going to get. And if you book a call, you guys can get a price. We can talk to you guys if you're a good fit or not, blah, 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 bonus, guarantee, scarcity, that kind of stuff. That's how a sales letter works, right? Now, I know you guys know how to rewind that because there's a lot of stuff, but that's a general recipe for a sales letter. And when it comes to copywriting, for me, I've always had an idea, and that idea, the best way to sort of tell the market in as fast of a period as possible, and also, an efficient way, is to write a sales letter. I actually did this, and people talk about like entrepreneurs, and entrepreneurs particularly being like, people that draft up these brand new ideas. This is like how I've done it, right? I've always looked at, like for example, one of my offers is teaching real estate agents, top producing real estate agents, how to become a coach. And the way that I thought about this was like, I had this idea. I'm like, well, look, this is genius. No one's teaching this right now, right? And I niched down. And then I had to write a sales letter. And I wrote like, I think it's a 40-page sales letter. That sales letter has done multiple 6 figures in revenue and been very profitable for us. That was just because I decided that I'm going to write a sales letter, and that was because I knew the art of copywriting. So that's something that it allows you to do. Like you can take an idea from your brain, take a concept, and just start writing, typing, right? Now just typing, and quite literally just make a video of it and then throw it up on a landing page and run some Facebook ads, spend a couple $100 or $1,000 and just print out cash and do it more times. And that's what copywriting allows you to do. So now the question becomes, what should you actually do to learn copywriting? So I think the best way to learn copywriting is to, of course, invest in a mentor. But if you want to really start off with someone that has practical information, courses, mentorship, and trainings, look at Dan Kennedy. A lot of information is in there. Like I said, Dan Kennedy is an awesome resource. We teach this. We teach how to write sales letters for real estate, right? Because we pretty much give you a business in a box, a multiple 7-figure business in a box, so you guys can copy and implement. The link for a Facebook group is actually down below in the comments. And we also have another program for existing coaches, consultants, agencies, and also SaaS founders or online service-based businesses that are looking to scale. And We also talk about, how to write long form sales letters. And should you write a long form sales letter, or should you write a short form sales letter? Should you make it in a video format? All that kind of stuff, all these kind of questions are all addressed inside of our program. So anyways, hope you guys found some value from this video, and hope you guys go and write some viral, long form, banger sales letters. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and we'll see you guys in the next one.